Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a countdown timer to your OBS video. So first, you have to open your OBS and then tap this plus icon right here. Scroll down and look for text GDI plus. Tap this. Now you can rename this as my timer. Okay, again, my timer. And then click OK. So here you can change the font if you want, so you can select font right here. Okay, you can also add strikeout, font style, you can change font size, click OK. You can also change text transform, you can also change the color, opacity, background opacity, alignment, vertical alignment. Once done, click OK. After that, you can go to tools, scroll down, tap scripts, and then here click the plus button again. Now look for countdown. So tap countdown, click open, and then here on the text source, click this arrow, tap my timer. You can change the duration here if you want 10 or 10 or 9, 8, 7, 6. Let's just tap 5. After that, click close, and here it is. Now you can just drag it anywhere. You can adjust, resize, and basically that's it. That's how to add a countdown timer to your OBS Studio. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.